Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to read a story for you about how and why insects visit flowers. How and why insects visit flowers? A butterfly has landed on a flower. It's searching for nectar, a sweet liquid in the flower's center. This butterfly is a yellow tiger swallowtail. Nectar is its main food. The butterfly pushes its long tongue deep into the flower for a drink. Ants and bees come to flowers to get nectar too. These insects do not know it, but they help the plants that they visit. As the insects search for food, they are dusted with a powdery yellow pollen that usually stays on the insect's legs. I will show you, just wait one moment, please. So usually this pollen sticks to the back legs of insects. We have a bee here, so the pollen will stick to the bee's legs when it lands on the flower. They carry grains of pollen from one flower to the next. This allows the flowers to form fruits and seeds. A flower is a bee magnet. Its scent and color attracts the bees and other insects. To a bee, flowers glow with colors that you just cannot see. Because look, a red flower, we see a red flower, but to a bee, this flower may seem blue or purple. The flower looks different to the bee because the bee can see ultraviolet light. People cannot see this type of light. So these flowers are very attractive to the bees. A bumblebee gathers pollen as well as nectar when it visits flowers. The bee collects nectar in its crop near its stomach. It collects pollen on its hind legs, on the back legs, like I showed you before. Yes, it sits on the flower and collects the pollen. Now, brushy hairs on each back leg form a sort of pollen basket, and when the pollen baskets are full, the bee flies back to its nest. Now, this is a close-up picture of what the pollen basket looks like on the bee's leg. Now at the nest, the bumblebee shares the nectar and pollen with other members of the colony. Bees store extra pollen and nectar in little wax chambers called honeypots. This stored food is very important. It will be eaten by young bees as they develop into adults. This striped cucumber beetle is not interested in pollen or nectar. It has come to eat the petals of the flower. It has already chewed away big sections of the petals. Insects such as the striped cucumber beetle do not help plants. If these insects eat a plant's flower, the plant will not be able to form the seeds. So these insects are not really helping like the bees or butterflies. Now, this weird looking insect is hiding among some goldenrod flowers. It's an ambush bug. To this insect, flowers are hunting ground. The ambush bug preys on other insects. When a fly or a beetle or some other insect visit the goldenrod, the ambush bug strikes. In an instant, the bug has caught its dinner. This is the end of our short book. I hope you enjoyed it. Next time when you're looking at flowers, maybe you can see some bees or butterflies or other insects flying around them, carrying the pollen on their legs. Observe, take a magnifying glass outside and observe, even in your garden, how the bees are behaving, how the butterflies and the flies are behaving in the springtime, how we are collecting the nectar from the flowers. It's very interesting. Hope you enjoyed the book and I see you soon. Bye bye!